In this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve the problem of Warp 1.1 not working. First, click on the Settings icon. Here, you'll see two options, 1.1 Simple and 1.1 with Warp. If one isn't working, you should try the other. If both are not working, then click on Preferences. Go to the Connectivity tab and check if the API and DNS servers are working. If their status shows not connected, you should wait for the server correction. Otherwise, if they show connected, then go to the Connection tab. Here, you'll see the Reset Encryption Key option. Click on that, then click OK. Also, nearby, you'll see the Reset All Settings option. Click on that. And that's it. Hopefully, Warp VPN will be working fine again.